This school has done a rolling programme to improve their classrooms over time. We have supplied new student tables, chairs, wall graphics, and of course the interactive panels. The Learning Resource Centre was an area we were asked to design. It was a very unusual room, and we brought together a design which included where the students could collaborate, where they could work individually to get the best use out of the space. So the sensory rooms would be an area where if a child is worked up or needs to go and calm down, this would be the perfect environment for them. The prayer room was a very unusual shaped room, and we worked very closely with the team to get the best use of that space and to bring out a calm feel. We've helped this school with the students' wellbeing and mental health. We've implemented a mile a day track, Muga pitches, and also we've done external fencing to keep the school safe and secure. One of the things of the rolling programme and the redesign of the classrooms was the interactive panels. Initially they asked for just a plain board. Whilst we can do that, we asked them if they had considered the interactive panel. We arranged a full CPD training day for all the teachers and staff. The result of that was they had a Promethean interactive panel in every classroom. MPS has worked closely with the school to bring the classrooms to life by using colour, and we've done wall graphics. This has worked particularly well in the language departments, using colour in the chairs to represent the flag. MPS have worked very closely with the school to get the best solutions for their environment. We've worked very closely to complete everything within the time required and within the budget. The school has been brought to life and the environments have really been enhanced, and the students and teachers love it.